Okay guys, even though it's still lockdown, there's still lots and lots of new stuff coming through. So just a quick little news one for this week. We've got a couple of new things come through. I'll start off with Roden. Now this has just come in. This is the next series in their range of Heinkel 111s. This is the H16. So this has the different engines and a few other bits and pieces. Quite nice, markings on the back. So it gives you a good little paint guide there for what it is. It's 1/144th. This is should be in stock. Hopefully it'll be back in the stores soon, but it is all online. So if you're looking to pick up the next iteration of this, this has been quite a nice kit. So very, very happy with it. So it's a fairly straightforward kit. The glass is better. As I said, it's before when the first one came out, it's so far beyond the old Crown kit and things like that. There's a little bit more detail and a little bit more finesse. So that's quite nice. Also in 1/144th scale, we've got the second version of the B36 Peacemaker. Now this is the one that a lot of people have been waiting for, probably more than the earlier version. This is the later version. This is the D, or apparently you can do an F, a H or a J. Apparently you can do an F, a H or a J. The biggest difference with this one is it's got the jet engines on the wingtips. So this is the one that's going to be probably more popular. So if you're looking to do a bigger version, a better version of it, or you want to do the later version, which is more common, this is very, very nice. The kit themselves have been very good. They're far better than the old Hobbycraft kit. This has got all the right parts. It's got the jet engines in it, but it's also got the square propellers, which you need to do the later versions and things like that. So if you're looking to do a 1/144 scale Peacemaker and you've been waiting for the later ones, well, here you go. Here it is, in stock, and again, online, all good. Also, now from MasterBox, we've had some new figure sets come in, so we'll have a look at them as well. This is US Paratroopers. Now, if you've done any of MasterBox's kits, these are really, really nice. The detail's very good. The poses are probably the best ones around that in plastic that I've found. The detail is very, very good. On the back, you've got the layout and the instructions and the colour guides and all the rest of it. This one's US Paratroopers of 1944. What else have we got? This is Das Maschinenwehrer First Dort. German military men, 1944, 1945. My German is not very good, in case you're wondering. So there you go. Again, about 5 figures in the set. Same sort of detail as the previous one. Again, nicely done. All the information on the back for you, where all the parts go and everything else. You can also change parts around to do other poses, so they give you that option as well. So you want to add something to your various Panzer IVs or King Tigers, or even just to be having around a vehicle or whatever. So they're pretty cool. So that's good. In their fantasy series, this is the next one in the series for At the Edge of the Universe. This is one of the girls. This is Natty. She's fairly well armed. This is all, a lot of this is that period, a lot of the movies, and this is a series that they're making up at the moment, all based on the apocalypse wars type of thing and the post-apocalypse wars and things like that. The figure itself, this is 24th scale, so very, very nice. On the back, they've got a bit of colour guide. This actually builds into a series of figures, so there's 2 others that have come out as well. This is all part of the At the Edge of the Universe set. So if you're looking for that type of figure and you want to do a bit of fantasy work, that's pretty cool. And the last one from MasterBox is in their Ancient series, or Ancient Greek series. This is, it's called the Trophy, so you get the horse and the 2 figures. It's an interesting one, that's all I will say. So, yes, so there you go, there's that one. All the details on the back with all the, putting it all together and everything else. So, yeah, it's an interesting set, so have fun with that one. So that's it for today, for that lot. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Hopefully we'll be able to lock down soon. Take care. Bye.